Instagram advertising, the 8-step video for your brand. Hello everyone. Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Please subscribe to the channel. What is Instagram advertising? Instagram advertising is a paid service that businesses use to promote their content. Instagram started offering ad spots to select businesses after Facebook acquired it in 2013. In 2015, Instagram opened advertising to all businesses, and by 2017, had 1 million advertisers on the platform. Why you should advertise on Instagram? Organic social media strategies might seem cost-effective at first, but they rely on a lot of trial and error, and can only get you so far when you're up against ever-changing social media algorithms. This is why it's so important to focus on a social media strategy that incorporates both organic and paid tactics. This way, you get the best of both worlds. You're actively engaging with your audience through your Instagram posts, and with ads, you're reaching out to an even larger audience that might not know about your brand. As a visual medium, Instagram ads give you a great way to show off your product. And with Instagram shopping, you can make it easier than ever for Instagram users to convert to customers. How much does Instagram advertising cost? The cost to advertise on Instagram depends on several factors like the mobile device you're targeting, demographics, day of the week, and whether your ad is running during a major televised event. It all comes down to your target audience, which is why it's so important to know your Instagram demographics. To make the most of your marketing budget, dedicate money to ads and campaigns only if they'll help your bottom line. Put money behind posts and content that you already know perform well organically. Test everything to see what performs best, and dedicate most of your ad spend to that. Make sure to measure your ad success and take note of anything that didn't do as well as you'd hoped. How to create Instagram ads. You create your Instagram feed ads and Instagram story ads inside the Facebook Ads Manager. To get started creating your first Instagram ad, log into your Facebook ad account, head over to your Ads Manager, and start a new campaign. Step 1. Choose your ad objective. Once you create a new campaign, the first step to creating an Instagram ad is to choose your objective. If you choose an objective that doesn't make sense, like creating a traffic ad for a video or a sales ad for an Instagram placement, Facebook will likely deny your ad. Step 2. Name your Instagram ad campaign. After selecting your ad objective, you'll name your campaign. This is the best way to keep track of your ads within the Ads Manager. You can also get started on a split test for different ad variations, as well as decide whether to optimize your budget across ad sets. If you select Advantage Campaign Budget, the platform will automatically distribute your ad budget across your ad sets, or you can manually allocate spending for each ad set. Step 3. Decide how to design your ads. You can design your ads, or choose dynamic creative if you want the Ads Manager to create your ads. If you go that route, you'll upload the various ad elements, images, CTAs, and ad copy, for example, and the Ads Manager will test different designs. Step 4. Choose your optimization and delivery. Now, decide how you'll be charged when you run ads. Step 5. Define your ad budget and schedule. When you advertise on Instagram, you have full control over when you'll run ads and how much you'll spend on them. First, choose between a daily budget and a lifetime budget. Daily budgets allow for your ads to run indefinitely, while spending up to your allotted amount each day. You can still set start and end dates, while lifetime budgets will run for a set amount of time. If you choose a lifetime budget, you can also select a specific schedule for your ads. Perhaps you want them to appear only on weekdays or weekends. You're able to manually choose the days and times your ads will appear for your target audience. Step 6. Target your audience. Now the good part. Targeting your audience is how you'll optimize your Instagram advertising strategy. You don't want to waste money by trying to target anyone and everyone. This is your opportunity to really nail down the demographics, interests, and behavior of your brand's target audience. Step 7. Choose your ad placements. This is where you'll decide where to display your ad. Step 8. Choose your Instagram ad format. Once you've completed the last 3 steps, click Continue to head over to your ad creation dashboard. This is where you'll upload your content, write your ad copy, and publish your ad. This is also a good time to give our Instagram ad sizing guide a second look to ensure you're uploading the correct sized ad assets. Different formats are available based on the ad objective you chose, but the basic Instagram ad formats are photo ads. These include a single image, so you want to make sure it's a good one. Carousel ads. These allow users to horizontally scroll through multiple images or videos on their mobile device. Slideshow ads. These are similar to carousel ads, only the images play automatically. No scrolling required. Instagram video ads. These are video clips that can be from 3 seconds to 60 seconds long. Visualize your Instagram ad performance with Sprout. You've created your ad, but it's essential to check up on performance. With Sprout's paid performance report for Instagram, you can track any number of Instagram advertising campaigns for the metrics that matter most. The next topic of our video is on Instagram Reels in 2023. What is a Reel on Instagram? Instagram Reels are short-form Instagram videos that can be up to 90 seconds long. Users can record, edit, and clip videos and photos together, set them to music, and post to their feed. Since their inception, Instagram Reels have been an amazing way for brands and creators to flex their creativity and extend their reach. Since introducing Reels to our Instagram channel last year, we've seen our engagement grow by 280% shares. Later social media manager, Christine Coling. What's the difference between Instagram Reels and TikTok? Instagram Reels are strikingly similar to TikTok videos, which begs the question when it comes to short-form video, is there really a difference between Instagram Reels and TikTok? The answer is yes. From demographics and editing tools, they serve different purposes. One of the main differences between the platforms are the editing interfaces. On TikTok, filters are super popular. Users can choose from a number of effects, templates, and filters. While the video and special effects on Instagram Reels are more limited, they still have their own editing perks. With Instagram Reels templates, users can quickly copy clip timings of an existing reel, saving tons of time and effort. When it comes to trending audio, Instagram business profiles have limited access to Instagram's music library because of copyright concerns, so finding trending Reels audio can prove a bit trickier than TikTok audio usage. The TikTok For You page, FYP, is also very customized to your interests, whereas Instagram is still fine-tuning its Explore page algorithm to be more personalized for users. It's important to note that while both platforms offer the same type of content, the demographic on TikTok skews younger than Instagram, between ages 16 to 24. In comparison, nearly half of Instagram's audience falls within the 25 to 34 age range. So, with that in mind, if you're looking to reach a Gen Z audience, TikTok may be the place to be. But if you're looking to buffer up your Instagram strategy and grow your following, Instagram Reels is a great place to start. How does the Instagram Reels algorithm work? The Instagram Reels algorithm prioritizes videos based on what it believes a viewer will be most likely to interact with. According to Instagram, the most important signals that influence the Instagram Reels algorithm are: whose posts are you interacting with? If you frequently like or comment on someone's content, you're more likely to see their posts in your feed. What type of content do you engage with? For example, if you love beauty content, the algorithm will continue serving that type of content to you. When do you post? As Meta's content strategist, Lourise McMillian explains, this focuses on when a post has been posted to decide if it's relevant to you. It also takes into consideration how often you scroll on the app, so it will pick and choose what to prioritize. Instagram also shared that the Reels algorithm will deprioritize content that is visibly recycled from other apps, aka TikTok, or is low quality. In a nutshell, if your videos are original, entertaining, interesting, and high-res, the Instagram Reels algorithm is more likely to suggest it. How to make a reel on Instagram? Ready to shoot your first Instagram reel? Here's how to post a reel on Instagram. To create an Instagram reel, head to your profile and tap the plus on the top right, and tap Reel. Reels can be recorded in a series of clips in a single stream, or shot externally and uploaded. To add external clips from your camera roll to your Instagram Reels, select the plus icon in the bottom left corner or swipe up. To shoot footage internally in the Reels app, hold the recording circle in the bottom middle of the screen. Here, you'll also have the option to edit your footage with tools like layout, speed, scale, and so much more. To really bring your content to life, you can also take advantage of Instagram's many features. If you're familiar with Instagram Stories tools, you'll recognize most of these. Text. Say more by adding text to your Reels. Draw. Use the Draw tool to add some extra flair. Stickers. Include captions, GIFs, the time, and a plethora of fun Instagram stickers. Arkansas effects. Search from Instagram's endless gallery of Arkansas effects created by Instagram and creators around the world. Filters. Swipe left to access filters for your Reels. Audio. In case you missed it earlier, you can also add audio from Instagram's music library at this stage in addition to recording a voiceover or including sound effects. Tap next and choose a cover photo. Write a caption. Toggle whether you'd like to share your reel to the Instagram feed, tag people, rename your audio, add a location, and toggle if you'd like to recommend on Facebook. Finally, tap share. And just like that, you've successfully posted your very first reel. Job done. How to post Instagram Reels on desktop. One of the easiest ways to post Reels from your desktop or whatever device you want is by using Later's Instagram Scheduler. Later is trusted by millions of brands, creators, and social media managers, making it the best app to post and schedule Instagram Reels from your desktop. Here's how to get started in 5 simple steps. Step number 1. Connect your Instagram profile. Sign up or log in to Later on your desktop and tap Add Social Profile. Select Instagram and connect your account. Step number 2. Upload your reel to Later's media library. How to post Instagram Reels on desktop. One of the easiest ways to post Reels from your desktop or whatever device you want is by using Later's Instagram Scheduler. From there, upload your edited Reels video to the media library. Step number 3. Add a caption and hashtags. Drag your video to the calendar to open the post builder. Tap Post Type and select Reels from the drop-down menu. Write your caption and include strategic hashtags and keywords to maximize your Instagram Reels reach. Step number 4. Optional. Crop your reel. Here you'll have the option to crop your video size and adjust the length of your footage with the trim tool. Step number 5. Choose the date and time to schedule your reel. Select the date and time you'd like to post your reel on Instagram. Next, scroll down to Settings and under Share to Feed, toggle whether you'd like your reel to appear in your Instagram profile grid or not. Then tap Save. When it's time to post, your video will publish automatically. No late-night logins required. Note: Reels auto-publish is only available for Instagram business profiles, and due to API restrictions, only original audio can be used for auto-publishing. To get around this, select Notification when scheduling your post to receive a manual prompt to post from the Later app. You'll get everything you need to post delivered straight to your mobile device, and you can then add trending audio. Can you boost Reels on Instagram? Boosting a reel on Instagram is a great way to bring more eyes and engagement your way, especially for creators and businesses. Here's how to boost an Instagram reel. Step number 1. Head to your reel and tap the 3-dot icon or boost post in the bottom right corner and tap Boost Reel. Step number 2. Fill in the details of your ad, including your goal, audience, budget, and duration. Step number 3. Once you've reviewed your details, tap Boost Post and voila, you've successfully boosted a reel. It's that simple. Can you see who watches your reels on Instagram? Unlike Instagram stories, you can't see who's watched your reels. However, you can see who's liked it. Here's how. Head to your reel and tap your Liked By at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see every account that has liked your reel. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to channel.